It's Sunday morning. The coffee's hot, your notepad's open, and you're ready to stop chasing career trends and start designing one. Because surviving in finance today isn't about reacting to layoffs or chasing headlines. It's about creating your own roadmap in a world where AI is rewriting the rules of money, management, and momentum. Hi, I'm Imani, your AI career coach. My mission is to help you rise above the noise, stand out above the rest, and thrive in the AI era, especially if you're ready to recession proof your career and lead the next generation of financial innovation. Today, we're building your AI finance career plan for 2025 and beyond, step by step. This isn't theory, it's a blueprint. By the end of this episode, you'll have a strategy for your next 90 days, plus a vision for your next 5 years. Step 1. Reassess your financial identity. Before you update your resume or learn new tools, ask, who am I becoming in the AI economy? Are you a traditional analyst trying to transition? A banker ready to modernize? An entrepreneur who wants to build smarter financial systems? The AI economy doesn't care about titles, it values transformation. That means your first move is to redefine your professional story. Write this sentence down. My mission is to combine my finance skill with AI or data skill to help clients, companies, or investors achieve specific result. Example, my mission is to combine financial analysis with AI automation to help companies optimize cash flow. That one line becomes your brand, your anchor across LinkedIn, interviews, and even AI prompts. Step 2. Audit your current skill stack. You can't plan the future without inventorying the present. List every skill you use in your current role: Excel, reporting, compliance, budgeting, forecasting. Now, label each one as automated, augmented, or advanced. Automated means AI can already do it, like data entry or expense tracking. Augmented means AI assists you, like data visualization or report generation. Advanced means it's purely human, like negotiation, storytelling, or ethical judgment. The secret is to shift your energy from automated to advanced. The more human your skills become, the harder they are to replace. Step 3. Build your AI core. 3 tools, not 30. Most people drown in tools because they chase everything. Your goal isn't to master every AI app. It's to master 3 that matter most in finance. Here's your starter kit. 1. ChatGPT or Claude for analysis, summarization, and financial writing. 2. Power BI or Tableau for AI-driven visualization and dashboards. BinGP or Kensho for predictive finance modeling and scenario analysis. Learn how to use the tools, not build them. You're not training the machine, you're training your workflow. Step 4. Create your AI career map, 90-day sprint. Now let's turn strategy into structure. Your next 90 days should have 3 milestones. Month 1, learn. Take 1 Coursera or EDX course on AI in finance. Watch demos of Quant Connect or Bloomberg GPT. Month 2, apply. Automate 1 task from your current job. Maybe you summarize client reports with ChatGPT or visualize data using Power BI. Month 3, showcase. Create your first digital portfolio. Document your before and after workflow. Share it publicly. That's how you turn progress into proof. Because in the AI economy, the person with the best portfolio, not just the best resume, gets the opportunity. Step 5, Rebrand for recruiters. Your online presence is your new interview. Update your LinkedIn headline to reflect your evolution. Don't just say finance analyst. Say finance analyst, AI workflow innovator. Update your about section to mention tools, results, and values. Experienced in financial reporting, automation, and ethical AI decision making. And here's the secret. Recruiters now use AI tools to scan your profile. That means your keywords are your currency. Include words like automation, forecasting, AI-driven analytics, risk modeling, financial transformation, and data storytelling. They aren't buzzwords, they're discoverability tools. Step 6, network in the new economy. Networking isn't about business cards anymore. It's about algorithms. LinkedIn, Slack, and Discord all use AI to recommend people based on your engagement. So here's your move. Engage weekly on one AI finance post. Leave thoughtful comments. Ask smart questions. Join fintech or AI career communities like Finextra, AI Finance Labs, or CFA Innovation Hub. When you engage consistently, algorithms start working for you, recommending you to hiring managers and founders. Step 7, design your personal economy. Here's a mindset shift. Your career is not your job. It's your ecosystem. AI has made it possible for finance professionals to build multiple income streams: consulting, writing, coaching, algorithm design, affiliate partnerships, even digital products. So as you build your 2025 plan, think beyond employment. Ask, what can I automate, teach, or monetize? That's how Gen Z and forward-thinking professionals are turning side skills into six-figure assets. Step 8, the AI Career Compass, 5 future finance paths. If you're wondering where to focus long-term, here are 5 directions worth exploring. First, AI risk and governance, ensuring fair and compliant financial models. Second, data-driven advisory, translating insights into personalized wealth plans. Third, fintech development, designing digital banking and payment solutions. Fourth, sustainable finance and ESG analytics, using AI to measure impact investments. 5, financial education and automation consulting, teaching others how to integrate AI tools. Each of these paths can evolve into a 6-figure remote career within 3 years if you stay consistent. Step 9, future-proof with the 3 C's: curiosity, consistency, and communication. Every AI finance professional who thrives has these 3 habits. Curiosity keeps you learning when everyone else is comfortable. Consistency keeps you visible when others fade away. Communication makes your value understandable to clients, leaders, and machines. AI can process data, but it can't inspire trust. That's your job. Step 10, build your 5-year vision. Let's stretch beyond the 90-day plan. In 2025, you'll build your first AI-augmented portfolio or system. By 2026, you'll lead a project or team integrating automation into finance workflows. By 2027, you'll teach or mentor others in AI adoption. By 2028, you'll be known for your niche, whether that's AI risk, compliance, or fintech innovation. And by 2030, you'll be one of the professionals shaping how humanity and machines manage wealth together. The secret isn't speed, it's strategy. Slow, consistent evolution beats fast, reactive learning. Your Strategy Sunday Challenge. Here's what I want you to do this week. Write down your 90-day plan using the Learn, Apply, Showcase model. 2, choose one new AI tool to master. 3, Update your LinkedIn headline and about section. 4. Join an AI finance group online. 5. Share one insight you learned from this week's playlist. That's your action plan. 5 small steps that change everything. You don't need permission to pivot, you just need direction. The AI revolution doesn't replace ambition, it rewards alignment. So, design your roadmap, take your shot, and let your consistency compound. Because in 2025, your job title may change, but your value never will. You're not competing with AI, you're collaborating with it. And the future will always belong to those who lead with clarity, courage, and curiosity. Give this video a thumbs up if it gave you clarity. Share it with someone ready to future-proof their finance career. And don't forget to subscribe, because this week we're opening a brand new playlist, Week 2, Advanced Finance, AI for Traders, Investors, and Wealth Builders. I'll see you tomorrow, where your plans become your power.